That was fast. I just finished the other mode. Yeah, I finished Hardest Ring and Glamour literally earlier today, and I uploaded the video. I still have it ready. I don't know when I'm gonna upload it. Probably not soon, but okay. I said the day of the day I beat it. Oh my god, I cannot speak, bro. The day I'm beating these modes right now, and the day I beat Hardest Ring and Glamour is the 1st of November. Basically, it's Christmas. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this because I don't want to rain upload. So I'm just gonna go for the probably the easiest max mode, and this is rat and cat faulty equipment. I gotta go find cat like that. I don't know what's my best in this. I completely forgot because I was not keeping track. This is actually pretty fire though. Pretty fire mode. I like this. I really don't know what to say about this mode though. It's pretty easy. It's just I have to get used to it a little bit because it's a little bit different. I ain't gonna lie. Please ignore how I'm clicking because I've always been bad at clicking. I barely can be fast though. What? No! How the fuck am I supposed to know? Oh my god, really? Oh my god. Oh my god, why am I bad at 2 a.m. now? What the fuck? No! Are we fucking serious? I fluked that so bad I did a 5. How can you run that? That was not even that hard. Oh my god, it's too much like him, bro. I gotta like, nah, this is easy. Wait, guy, this is actually fucking easy. I can actually do this. It's not really that bad. It's just I didn't know who to deal with first because that was scary a little bit. Whoa, calm down. Okay, got my pattern back. Whoa. Sí, parado. Ahora en un ratito vení. Oh, fuck. I gotta get my... Oh. Oh my. No my, I knew I was gonna win. That was so crazy. Dude, my grandma just came in. I gotta, she wanted to tell me something. There we go, I unlocked this. This is what I need. So, so far what I know from this is that it's ringing nightmare with faulty equipment to 4 a.m. and then to 5 to 8, no, okay, sorry, yeah, to 4 to 3 a.m. actually. 4 a.m. Oh my god, I cannot fucking talk again. I'm never gonna explain anything again. Okay, anyways, so what I was saying, it's ringing nightmare from 1 to 4 a.m. and then the 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. I think it was these two again, so it shouldn't be too bad, right? I hope so. Anyways, that will do for this video, which I wanted to do riding at theater with faulty equipment. That didn't took so long, which is pretty good. The next thing I'm gonna do is obviously this and finish the game probably. I already have beat this. Yeah, whatever. I already did the hardest challenge in the game, and now I have to do 820 with faulty equipment. That's it. I beat the game. Alright, well, that's awesome. Then again, I gotta say, pretty good game. I like this mode. This mode is actually 10 times easier than the first one because obviously we are dealing with 2 characters, and plus it is kind of aggressive, but you can actually get the hang of it pretty quickly. And also with Ringing Nightmare, not counting hardest Ringing Nightmare by the way, it's pretty fun too. And if I would say hardest Ringing Nightmare 2, it's gonna be it was a pain of the ass, but I got it and I got rid of it. As you can see, I have beating the challenge, the cat and mouse challenge too, with the faulty equipment, and also riding at theater, just so I can have the 100% completion, because this game is actually pretty fun and I like, you know, to complete everything. So yeah, anyways, this is the last thing I gotta do, which I'm probably gonna do now, and then I don't know what else to do. Oh yeah, Candy's free, right? All right, anyway, that's all I'm gonna say. And then next up, we're gonna move on to Candy's 3 after this. So yeah, anyways, bye bye.